Renowned aviator and former national president of aircraft pilots and engineers, Isaac Balami has assured that the Isaac Balami University of Aeronautics and Management will transform Nigeria into an aircraft manufacturing hub. Balami said this at the presentation of licenses to 11 private universities by Minister of Education Dr. Tunji Alausa in Abuja. The proprietor, who expressed gratitude to President Bola Tinubu for approving the university's license, described the pioneering institution as a critical step in reviving the nation's once thriving aviation legacy.
Very soon, months or years from now, you will see the first made in Nigerian aircraft by the special grace of God. And it will be built by Nigerian sons and daughters. Young youths will do that.
Balami also affirmed that the institution, backed by a team that includes a Cranfield-trained aerospace design professor and a retired Air Vice Marshal as acting vice chancellor, is built on proven expertise.
Professor from Cranfield in the UK, our acting VC, Professor retired AVM Jemitola, he is somebody who have put an aircraft together, took off and landed, and we have such people with so much energy to actually make it happen.
The renowned aviator further dismissed concerns about the proliferation of private universities, insisting on quality and access. CNN News.